Please don't come. Anyway, so for the little fried green tomatoes I'm going to make, I am going to use the Kentucky Kernel Seasoned flour. I have a little bit left in here, so I'm just going to toss them around in that and then fry it up. I don't know, maybe that's how you do it, right? I don't know. Do I have to put like any egg wash or anything? I'll probably just wash them, and then from the water, I think the stuff will stick to it. Let me try. So Corey told me if I'm going to be frying these to kind of cut them on the thicker side. So yeah, let's pop these in here, shake it up, and then see what's going on. All right, here goes nothing. And if you're wondering what that sound is in the background, it's my little ice maker. So let's dust this off a little bit. Looks coated enough. Oh, wasn't that hot? Well, I'll wait a couple more seconds. A couple more minutes. Man, I thought I was gonna be fucking splish splashy and yummy. Do over. Okay, let's see. Man, I need a like fucking oil thermometer. I am embarrassing myself over here. All right, once I get these in there and they start crisping up a little bit, I'll come back and show you guys. Ooh, this one's a fat one. You should name it Andrea. Don't crowd it up now. That sure does smell yummy. So I've never had fried green tomatoes. I've never had green tomatoes. So this is a really good first time experience. And yeah, I spilled some tea over there, but look at me being a southern girl. I'm over here drinking some iced tea. Girl, let me give you. With my fork. With my fork. Okay, looking good. The batter seems to be holding up. Yeah. And I know this ain't the healthiest. It's an exception. It's my cheat day, you know. And, well, actually, yesterday was my cheat day. But today's a little bit of a cheat day. It's a withdrawal cheat day, you know. The good thing about that flour that I just showed you is that it's seasoned and you don't have to do nothing to it. You just pop it in there and then fry it up. I know Jody's going to be excited because him loves fried green tomatoes. And these are here. I think I'll just salt and pepper them and just eat them like that. Maybe cook them up a little bit more. Salt and pepper. Eat them like it. Time for a flip. I think so. Alright. Flip these. Looking good, looking good. Like me. Since I've never had these, I'm not sure what they look like when they're done. I'm just assuming it's like frying chicken. When the color gets all nice and brown. Like my wife. So I took out the small one just to see the doneness of it. Let me see her. Bitch. That is delicious. Oh my god. I can't believe how good this is. And so when I was talking to Corey the other day, he said that it's kind of like an okra flavor, but not with the stickiness, you know? It almost tastes like a zucchini, like a fried zucchini, fried okra, but the texture, oh my god. And I'm not just kissing ass. I'll do that when Corey gets here, but not right now. Oh my heavens. That is super delish. Oh my god. I don't know if it's delicious because, you know, I'm a great cook, or it's delicious because Corey and his mom homegrown these. I'm going to put the rest in there, fry it all up, and then I'll see you later. I'm going to let Jody have a little taste. Don't tell him I used a little fake flour shake and bake. I'm going to tell him I season it myself because, you know, I could normally season good fried chicken, but this is just a quick little... Hi, Lulu. I've never made fried green tomatoes before, and I know you country, so let me know what you think. It's really hot. What do you think for my first time?
Good.
What do you think about those tomatoes?
Good.
Aren't they delicious?
Yes.
Corey and his mom homegrown these, plucked them, did whatever they needed to do, and grew them really delish. Aren't those good?
Yeah.
From a scale of 1 to 10, how good is that?
8, 9.
Really?
They take what they're supposed to, tangy, a little salty.
I love it. It's delicious.
I eat some chips and fried green tomatoes. Hey, good
What?
job.
Thanks.
I've only had it 2 times. What would I remember?
I thought you were country. I thought you eat that shit all the time.
Not fried green tomatoes. I mean, usually we just have them raw, salt and pepper.
Well, I left some in the pan that are like a little bit sauteed. You can eat those with salt and pepper. Okay, love you. Bye. Delicious. And I would let LaTanya try them, but she absolutely hates tomatoes, even if they are green and fried. But she likes salsa. Oh, snap. Let me turn it down. All right. Look at this. Looks delish. So I'm going to take the rest out. Let it drain a little bit. And boom. Delicious. God, this is so good. These tomatoes are so delicious. I want to confess my love to Corey. I really do. I love him a lot. I have a big old crush on him, but he don't know. I think he knows a little bit, but oh well. Confessing my love, girl. He always thinks I'm joking, but I'm not. I would totally marry him. Anyway, dang, these look so fucking good. And they're delish. Sorry for the curse. It just... my mouth is salivating. Look at these. Well, here you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me experiment with green tomatoes from my best friend in the whole wide world's garden / husband. And yeah, so let me know in the comments, what would you eat these tomatoes with? And then what would you eat with these little leftover tomatoes? And what would you eat with the salsa? I probably would add a little bit of... Well, because I need to edit this video quick. So, I mean, you guys seen what the salsa looked like. It's delicious. It looks good. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want me to try to do more things, let me know. Come holler at me, and I period, and I mean it. I know it's super loud in here, and my hair twirled or whatever, but I wanted to show you. I put a little ketchup. Delish.